Hello Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. As usual, speaks messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. I hope that you all are doing well. Now let's just start. This is going to be right from 16th of August 2021 and beyond, okay? So something that you're going to fix in this time frame, something that you've been thinking about talking with someone in particular as well. But I also get, oh wow, the moment I'm cutting the deck, you have on the side gentleman, ace of hearts, ace of cups energy, something that you're going to fix. Now I also saw like someone is standing on the bridge, and from that they are seeing the train passing by. I feel it's kind of like someone you are saying bye, you are dropping someone somewhere, or maybe you are going to receive someone, which is about you are just visiting and you're going to come with them home. So for some cases it is about adios, yes, or maybe it was done and now you're going to fix, or maybe you are about to confess something. Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, okay? You people are missing someone. This is also possible. You are looking and maybe this happened way back, and this may be the resonating energy of like something when passes by, it is about losing certain kind of opportunity. But I also get this vibe of like something that is yet to come and you people have decided on something, and that's why you're seeing from the top, okay, this is going, okay? Or maybe you're just realizing that I shouldn't let this person go, I shouldn't let this opportunity go, whatever it is, because for some of you this may be your travel, some of you might be thinking about this person, okay, and not just thinking about, you're trying to, as I said, you're trying to fix something with someone. It's also people over here, they're doing closures as well, and that's why maybe it's connected with adios, like goodbyes, final, farewell. Something is there, but you also have that thought in mind that what you are looking, or maybe some of you are overlooking something that you need to look. How it fits you? Let's see. There is two of wands energy. I see like your next planning. Now next planning is about you preparing for the trip. Maybe you're going after someone in order to connect with them, okay, and not to lose contact with someone. This may be decision also between now and the future energy, of course. This may be decision between two. So maybe this two is all about your past and present person, or maybe this is about places or job opportunities, okay? So there is something, again, connected with the train. It's very fast and it's passing by. So what you're going to do about that? You haven't communicated what you actually think about. Two of Swords energy, being at cross of decision making or telling someone something, and you know that they are going, okay, and they might have like done the catching of the train and all that stuff, but maybe this is about also eagerly waiting to tell them what you exactly feel, okay? And I also kind of get this vibe of like someone dialing something. You also have this energy, okay, so this just flipped here, which is again the bottom energy was number 3 and ship 10 of swords. You want to say something, you really want to say something, and this is the energy of like you were not able to say something, what exactly you feel. And this energy on the side is number 30, which is lilies. So it's something king of spades energy. So maybe you are missing someone from your past, if it is the train that is passing by and it was the lost opportunity. If that is the case, it's Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But I also feel like the kiss is yet left, so which is about you people need to turn into prince and princesses, okay? That is the storyline. I also feel like you people are catching each other's eyes, but you just need to come on common grounds. I feel like it's a common leaf where you need to step. It is happiness and abundance, lilies. How you want to take it as. Okay, they are going out of hand. Something is out of hand or something is out of control. Like feelings are out of control right now, and you really need to deliver this message. Whoa, okay. So that's your energy, that's your message, that's your home, that's what you love. This is all about your home, where you are. This is all about the person you love. This is all about homecomings. And for me, okay, this is house, king of hearts energy, which is cups, water. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, maybe you are really deeply in love with someone and you're missing them and you want them to come back. However, this can go vice versa. This number 4 energy, okay, this is about the hold that you might be feeling, and the stability that you desire. This energy is like, I am going to have warm welcome. And I'm looking at this particular house, this is giving me the energy of retreat, emotional retreat, figuring out time. Maybe this is about a vacation. Maybe this is about you're going to follow someone wherever they are going, and you're going to catch up with them, okay? However this can go, vice versa. But I kind of get this energy, okay? This is someone who is giving you the information about them, and which not, it's not in the bad way. It's just about something that you really need right now. So yes, house, okay? This is about your focus, this is about your current relationship if you are in one, or this is about what you really, really desire. Some of you are purchasing a home, okay? Deciding, shifting, okay? And maybe this is surprise to the one you love. I'm hearing the word donating. Maybe you are donating something, or maybe you are doing some kind of stuff here which in like some amount you are donating. I heard that, donating. You also have Ace of Swords. You really need to have this communication with someone, and that is like a breakthrough in your life. The truth shall reveal, or the truth will be coming out, okay? And which is very important. Again, I told you that you are dialing the number, so maybe this Ace of Swords is the call of like, let's talk straight, okay? This is what I feel. Okay, so let's see. There is warmth around you, and the warmth that you really want to give to someone, or you really feel with someone. I feel like Two of Wands energy is very prominent in your life, which is again connected with the decisions you've done and the decision you're about to do. You're declaring something as well, declaration. You're declaring something, which is about Nine of Pentacles energy. This is about, I no longer want that kind of freedom where I'm just on my own. I want to be with you. So this is about some of you won't be single anymore. That's like a cut through saying and revealing and everything like that, okay? This is also about something that you're going to reveal to the person, okay? However, this can go towards you as well. Now, people who are already with one another, the feeling that while being alone at home, like, you know, some time out and, you know, retreating themselves, it's making someone realize here, especially you, that you are missing that, you're missing that part, something, okay, which is connected with the person possible. So that makes you feel, oh my God, I should have said, I should have done that. Maybe you were just living with your friend and you had feelings, and when they left, you figured out something. Oh my God, I feel like I should have told them. Those are, I feel like looking at these cards too, there is something like hidden feelings, you know, I should have done that. I should have, like that kind of energy. Let's see in your present. Look, you have Two of Cups energy. In the present, and the moment you feel the 10 of Cups energy, it's like you feel fulfilled, okay? Or you're feeling that urge of getting to know this person, to that note that you really want to confess something. Two of Cups energy is something that I really want to be with you. It's reunion, it's union, it's being with the one you really love. It's also asking someone out, and it is also someone you're going to contact and tell them whole and soul, whatever I feel for you. Two of Cups is to be with the one, okay? So, yes. Yes. With the King of Cups energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you again have bottom energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay? So just give me a second. I want to know that what is with that you are looking and the train was passing by, as if like someone is in there and you just said bye, and then you are looking from that, and you have like, look, Page of Pentacles, opportunity. You're seeing them crossing, you're seeing that train going, and then you're feeling like I should follow. You know, there's a follow-up energy, and I'm like my pentacle, I have that serious desire and those feelings for this particular energy, and I can't afford to be in this limbo or hangman situation, and I have to follow, I have to tell them that kind of energy. So let's see, what was that for? Whatever we saw, what was that for? Potential. You know that there is something, you know that. Please give us the energy, souls and spirits. Souls and spirits, please give us this energy. Please give us this energy. Okay. Hmm. I feel for some cases this is like lilies and air sign, possible, not necessarily though. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and you have King of Swords, though it can be Queen as well because these are general vibes. It's ambition. Someone is leaving to fulfill their own dream and desire here, I feel. Okay, and this is about, you might have studied together, you might have worked together, and you might be missing this person, and they also, because the hidden energy is all about the playful energy of what was. Okay, this energy is boredom, so someone is missing someone definitely, and they really want to get in contact again. They might be feeling that playfulness. And Four of Cups energy, this is like potential as well, potential of having something, and they might be waiting. I feel like they might be thinking about that you're going to make the move, but you didn't. Possible, but you had that in mind. And again, Five of Cups is like someone never wanted to feel that loss. At least we are friends, okay, so we shouldn't do something that is not supposed to be done in this time frame, and then feeling that urge of going away. It is better that we stay the way we are. It is a messed up message. 11:11 recording time, but then again, people don't want to lose what is. So sadness, okay, so they never wanted this thing to be turning into sadness, I feel. But I feel this is the energy. Someone over here, maybe they are looking, or maybe you are looking from top, and the train is going. Maybe this person went because they had to for some reason, or maybe this is just emotionally some symbolism here, which is again connected with, I should have done it, but then I missed, and I don't want them to lose. Like I don't afford to lose this contact. Basically, Five of Cups energy, someone is missing. So absence of emotions, and they're missing, you're missing, but then you have to have ambition, and you have to have goal and all that concept. Then again, this energy is all about you looking at the tree, and the person is leaving, and then not wanting to lose the contact. This is something fear of, or you know, something that I shouldn't lose out on this contact, that kind of energy. Okay, I feel also this is connected with when ambition and work and money and all that stuff, then does come Four of Pentacles energy, which is about security. So what is that I can give to them? What is that they can give to me? Now, it's not about only practical things. It is about, actually I love that person, I want to care for them. Then what is that I can give to them? Okay, so I have to have that potential. For some of you, I feel like it's the energy possible of way past energy, may not be in this time frame, may not be in this energy mode or these years. Maybe I'm having that message of way back, which was with Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, and this was good, but someone let it go, and the train went. So this was like a lost opportunity. And now whatever you have right now, you might want that freedom to reunite with certain energy from the past, if that goes, if fits. Okay, because we can read out tarots in so many ways that there are different messages. Let's see in your future. Okay, so in your future there is bringing up, like upbringing or bringing up. Jack of Hearts energy, again Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I feel like some of you are reuniting with the person, some of you are going to catch up with them, and it is going to be something that you're getting free from whatever you felt can go wrong or may go wrong, and what ifs and buts, you're just leaving that behind in order to figure out that warmth and connection with the person. This is the energy. It's going to follow up. Okay, they want to talk, you want to talk, because they're looking at you. Even while they were leaving, they were looking at you. Even while having no contact, they were looking at you, or you were. So let's see what is from the oracles. What is the message for you? What is the message for you? Do you want to know what's beyond this? Jack of Hearts. Okay, I told you, this is making up mind, planning and preparation, and Two of Wands and decision. Okay, deciding to message, deciding to contact, deciding to travel, deciding to be with. Let's boom it, boom it, boom it, boom it, boom it. Cave, sanctuary, figuring out something. And once you're done with that, you're going to be out and about. Okay, maybe there's a hermit, Virgo. Not necessarily though, but this is all about the time that you're going to spend to figure out what you really need. Let's see the flip here. And the flip is, wow, There's going to be unfoldment, like lotus flower. You're going to realization is here. Something when goes away or is missing or is leaving, then we realize something. Okay, in someone's absence, people realize a lot of stuff. Okay, I want freedom, but then freedom is there, you miss. Okay, so you have card of wolf, instinct. Something is telling you. So if this is about your search, it's over and you figured out. If it is already with the person, you know this is the person. Something is telling you. Wolf is awesome animal to figure out because they have partners for life, kind of. And you may check by yourself, but something is telling you here, and it's like something is worth. So your instinct is telling you. Spirits are trying to tell you that you found the one. Okay, you found your wolf. Just to make you laugh, a wolfy, like a female vibe. So however it fits you. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.